The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over King of Prussia, or 14 miles northeast of West Chester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, West Norton, East Norton, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Rockledge, Abington, George, Plymouth Meeting, Chestnut Hill, King of Prussia, Germantown, Powley, Radnor Township, and Horsham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.